Hello ma'am, my name is Janvic Namalata and this is my video presentation for the semifinal exam. So first is the ideal gas law. So here's my example. Given the following set of values, calculate the unknown quantity. P is equal to blank. V is equal to 0.602 liters. N is equal to 0.0801 mole. And T is equal to 311 Kelvin. So in ideal gas law, we have the formula PV is equal to nRT, where P is the pressure, V is the volume, N is the amount of substance, R is the ideal gas constant, and T is the temperature. So here in our problem, we are looking for the P, which is the pressure. So P, then plug in sa atong mga given, which is V is equal to 0.602 equals N, which is 0.00801 mole, then R, which is our ideal gas constant, which is 0.08206 times the temperature, which is 311 Kelvin. So P times 0.602, copy lang na, and then multiply this 3. So it is 0.0081 times 0.08206 times 311 is equal to 0.2044. And then para mabili na lang si P, is ato nang i-divide nato si 0.602 both sides. So 0.602, then sa Pcas food 0.602 para ang mabilin is si P. So cancel out, and then ang P na lang mabilin. So P is equal, then divide these two. So it is 0.2044 divided by 0.602 is equal to 0.33954, or round off nato, which is 0.34. So our pressure is 0.34. So the next is the molarity.
Pugodi.
What is the molarity of a solution that was prepared by dissolving 14.2 grams of sodium nitrate in enough water to make 300 milliliter of solution? So take note that our molarity is equal to mole of solute over liter of solution So first nato buhaton diri ang problem is i-find nato ang moles ay ang molar mass sa sodium nitrate. So to find the molar mass, Na NO ay NO. So i-find nato ang ilang molecular weight. So for Na, na siya yung molecular weight na 22.99, and for the N we have 14.01, and then for the O or oxygen is 16, and then naamanday tulo ka oxygen diri, so times 3 equals 48. And after that is ato na siyang i-add tanan, and then so natay calculator diri so 22.99 plus 14.01 plus 48 is equal to 85. So 85 grams per mole. So natay molar mass sa atong sodium nitrate. And then after that is atong i-find ang mole in 14.2 grams. So to get that is i-divide nato ni si 14.2 grams sa atong molar mass, which is ang atong 85 grams per mole. So 14.2 grams over 85 grams per mole. So cancel nato si grams, and ang mabilin is si mole. And then 14.2 divided by 85 is equal to 0.17. So 0.17 mole. And then after na to makuha si mole is pwede na rin to makuha ang atong molarity. So 0.17 mole over 350 ml sa atong given. So 350 ml, and since ang atong formula sa atong molarity is moles of solute over liter of solution, and since liter man ang atong denominator, so dapat ngayon ni nga liter. So ato na siyang i-convert. So to convert milliliter to liter is ato na siyang i-multiply sa 1,000. So multiply natin siya sa 1,000 milliliter over 1 liter. It's because 1,000 milliliter is equivalent sa 1 liter. And then cancel nato si milliliter, and ang mabilin is si mole per liter. So ato na din siyang i-calculate. 0.17 over 350 ml multiply 1,000 is equal to 49. So 0.49 is ato na siyang gi-convert. So din tayo so 0.49 sodium nitrate. So our molarity is 0.49 of sodium nitrate. Thank you. And so for the molality, we have the problem 10 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 500 grams of water, what is the molality of the solution? So, in our molality, we have formula M, or small letter M, is equal to moles of solute over kilogram of solvent. So, mo ni ang atong formula sa atong molality. So, first na to buhaton ani nga problem is atong i-find ang molar mass sa atong compound, which is ang sodium hydroxide. So, to find sa iyang molar mass is ano to siya? Ato siyang find ang iyang mga molar weight and then atong i-add. So, for Na is molar weight sa atomic weight sa Na is 22.99, and then sa O is 16, and for H is 1.008. Then ato siya lang i-add. So 22.99 plus 16 plus 1.008 is equal to 39.9998. So convert na to 40 grams per mole. And naanatay molar mass sa atong compound. So after that is i-find na to ang atong mole sa if natay 10 grams. So para makuha na to na is i-divide na to ni si 10 grams sa atong molar mass. So 10 grams divided 10 grams divided by sa atong molar mass, which is 40 grams per mole. So cancel out na to si grams and si mole na ang mabilin. So 10 divided by 40 is equal to 0.25. So 0.25 mole. And dire is pwede na din nato makuha ang atong molality. So 0.25 mole over sa atong 500 grams nga given. So 500 grams, and since ang atong formula is mole of solute over kilogram of solvent, and since ang atong solvent is grams, so ato siyang i-convert to kilogram. So to convert grams to kilograms, multiply nato siya sa 1,000. So times 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram. Kay 1,000 grams is equivalent to 1 kilogram. And so ato na din siyang i-calculate 0.25 over 500 times 1,000. So nakatay 0.5. So nakatay 0.5 mole per kilogram. Sa mas gram dara. So our molality is 0.5 mole kilogram at mole per kilogram of sodium hydroxide. Okay, thank you. And the last one is the normality. So here's my example. What is the normality of a solution that contains 50 grams of sulfuric acid dissolved in 15 liters? So our formula for normality is N is equal to molarity times N, which is number of moles. So first nato buhaton sa atong problem is i-find nato ang molarity sa kaninga problem. So to find the molarity, so sa pag-find sa molarity, ang atong first na buhaton is find nato ang molar mass sa atong compound, which is ang atong sulfuric acid. So for the sulfuric acid, natay H, S, and O. So the atomic weight of H, or hydrogen, is 1.008 times 2 is equal to 2.016. 2, it's because natay duha ka hydrogen. And for the S, or sulfide, is 32.06. So since isa lang ang atong sulfide, so times 1 lang na, or remain lang na siya, 32.06. And for the oxygen, so naatay upat ka oxygen, so ang atomic weight sa oxygen is 16 multiplied by 4. It's because upat na oxygen, so it's equal to 64. And then i-add nato na sila tulo. So 2.016 plus 32.06 plus 64 is equal to 98.08 or 076. 98.076. So 98.076 grams per mole. And after that is atong i-find ang number of moles in 50 grams. So 50 grams divided by sa atong molar mass, which is 98.076 grams per mole. So cancel nato si grams, and ang bilin is mole. So 50 divided by 98.076 is equal to 0.5098, and ato siyang i-convert to 51. So 0.51 mole. And then after that, pwede na din nato kuhaon si molarity. So 0.51 mole over 15 liter. So since nakasakto naman siya tanan mole per liter, which is ang atong ang atong formula sa molarity, so plug in na lang na siya sa calculator. 0.51 divided by 15 is equal to 0.34. 0.34. So nanatay molarity, mole per liter, which is mo na siya ang atong molarity. And since ang atong normality is equal to molarity times the number of mole, so ang atong sulfuric acid is na siya compound, na siya formula nga H2SO4. Then ang atong molarity is 0.34, and ato siyang i-multiply sa duha ka hydrogen, which is 2 sa atong hydrogen, and then we can get the answer 0.68 normality. So our normality is 0.68. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.